Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder on PC using your PlayStation 4 account. Many players wonder if their hard-earned progress on PlayStation can transfer to PC, and the good news is, it absolutely can. The key is to properly link your PlayStation Network account to a Gaijin account. This process ensures all your vehicles, research, and currency are accessible across both platforms, giving you flexibility in how and where you play. The linking process is straightforward. First, open your web browser on your computer and go to the official War Thunder website. Look for the login option and specifically choose the PlayStation Network sign-in. After entering your PlayStation credentials, the system will guide you to either create a new Gaijin account or link to an existing one. Make sure to complete this step carefully to ensure a successful connection between your accounts. Once your accounts are successfully linked, the next step is to get the game running on your personal computer. Download the War Thunder PC client from the official website and install it. When you launch the game, log in using the Gaijin account you just linked, not your PlayStation Network details directly. You will find all your vehicles, research points, and silver lions exactly as you left them on your PlayStation 4, ready for action. There are a couple of important details to remember. While your silver lions and all your research progress are completely shared between platforms, Golden Eagles purchased on your PlayStation 4 account will only be usable on your PlayStation. To avoid any confusion, always ensure you are logging into the War Thunder PC client using your linked Gaijin account, not attempting to use your PlayStation Network login directly. This ensures seamless access to your shared progress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.